Headboard, amazing. This is how the bed is looking. When I say I shop till I drop, I got this 100% cotton king size sheet. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so this is how the headboard is looking for the bed. And this is the rest of the bed, so we're just trying to put it together, but I'm so in love with it so far, especially the headboard, amazing. Okay guys, so this is how the bed is looking. When I say I am in love with it, I'm in love with it. But guess what, I didn't know it would be this big, but I love it. It's so nice. And we just ordered the box spring from someone on Facebook Marketplace, brand new. They just came and put this one in. The other one is in the living room area because for some reason it's a bit damp, and I think because it was raining earlier today and maybe they have an open truck. So we're gonna see if we can dry it and then put it on there tonight or maybe tomorrow, but hopefully tonight so we can sleep in here. But yeah, so that's the progress so far, and that's the mattress leaning over there on the wall. But I love this bed, you guys, and when I say it's very sturdy, it is. So yeah, so currently we're just doing the kids room at the moment, putting the bed up, and this is how everything is looking. Such a mess. Hey guys, got ready, head out of the house. I got to Burlington. I just left Burlington and now I'm about to head into Home Goods. I do have a few errands today. I'm going to Target, Home Goods. I'm gonna also stop at Ross as well because I do need a few things. I have a few things to get on my list, such as, you know, bedding, like fitted sheets, both for our bed because we do have a king size bed now, and also for the kids beds. So I need to get trash can. I need, you know, kitchen utensils. I need a bunch of things. So I will definitely have all coming up. I will definitely have all coming up for you guys, so please stay tuned for that, which I'm so excited about. Yes, I'm about to head into Home Goods right now. I need a few towels. I need some towels and also like soap dispensers, you know, stuff like that. I do have a gift card, so I'm so excited to use that, and then we'll go from there. So stay tuned. I'm finally done with all of my shopping. Honestly, I just feel hot. I just feel tired, you know. I just really want to go home right now. And honestly, every store that I go into, it's so crowded, you guys. I didn't even feel like to take out the camera. But when I say I shop till I drop, as Jamaican would say, just look in the back, guys. Yeah. And honestly, they are all essential stuff, like stuff that I actually need, like sheets, pillows, toiletries, you know, all of those things. So it's not even decor pieces. The only thing that I got, I would classify it as decor pieces, which is not really is, because it's form of essential, is some glass cups. I saw some chocolate colored glass cups, which I'll show you guys that in the haul that's coming up, so stay tuned for that. And honestly, I saw some nice pieces, decor pieces in Walmart. Okay, don't sleep on Walmart. So yeah, but I'm heading home now. I'm so hungry. I'm just gonna drink this I would say protein shake, in my opinion. It has 20 grams of protein and it's very good, and it only has 4 grams of sugar. Also, to me,
like a lot of people always say, oh, this has a lot of protein, this has a lot of protein, or something that they see that has a lot of protein. But you also have to look at other things as well, the sodium and also the sugar intake. Like, you also have to look at those things. But I love this. It tastes a little bit off because I think maybe they add some 0 calories sugar thing in it. But I listen to my body. Whenever I drink it, I don't feel bloated, and I feel like it's really good. They sell it at Walmart and probably other places as well. It's called Remedy Organics. I really like it so much. It's pricey though, but it's not too bad. It's like 3 something. Well, it was, and I think they raised it to 4 something now. So yes, I'm just gonna drink this, and it filled me up for some time. So I'm just gonna drink this and then head home and start cooking. Yes.
Okay guys, so it's very late at night. It's actually after 11, super tired, after 11 p.m. But I have to make this bed tonight because we need to sleep on sheets tonight because last night we didn't. So I did want to, share this with y'all in my haul that's coming up, but I'm gonna open it, so might as well I show you guys this right now. So I got this 100% cotton king size sheet from Home Goods, only for $49.99. To me, it feels really, really, really soft. So hopefully it's very cool. So I'm gonna test it out. I also ordered a protector for the king size bed that will be here tomorrow. And unfortunately, I'm not gonna wash the sheet tonight. I'm super tired, but we have to sleep on something. So normally I'll wash it beforehand, but as for right now, that's not gonna be the case. So honestly, sleeping on this mattress last night, it's very comfortable, I must say. Very comfortable. And the price that we got it for is very good. So I would say I'm satisfied with this mattress. Very good quality so far. But it's too early to say that, right? So far the sheet, it feels so soft. Oh my gosh, I love this. And I decided that I'm going to start going with 100% cotton. No polyester for me. Like, I don't want to do any more polyester stuff, especially with bed sheets. I feel like that's very important, and that's something that it's good to invest in, something that you're resting on. It has a little, factory scent to it, which I think I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. I don't like this smell. Is this king size? Yeah, it just seems a bit small. Guys, this mattress is very heavy too. And for some reason, for me, I come to the realization that I really, really love white sheets. The last time I got some, I think, chocolate color sheets, and I hated it. I didn't like, oh, it makes the room feel dark. I love white sheets, so that's all I'm gonna go with. And then, I can always add like a throw blanket, like a colored throw blanket, or a colored, duvet or something. But as for the fitted sheet, it's gonna always be white. So I got these pillows from Home Goods as well, and I feel like it's good quality. But I'll test it out and see tonight. It is 100% cotton as well. And this brand is actually Ralph Lauren. Okay. See, it feels so soft, and it has a little firmness to it as well, which I like. So I'm just putting on the pillowcase. I'm so excited to just sleep on a king pillowcase. It's actually my first time having a king size bed. So I'm super excited about that. Like last night, it feels so spacious. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I can get used to this. Next, I'm going to be adding this premium comforter that I got from Amazon. I'll definitely leave the link in the description box. And I heard that this duvet comforter is very fluffy, so I'll see for myself. Oh, I need to get a scissors. All right. Okay, so I finally get to open the package, and I'm loving it, guys. It's so fluffy comparing to other duvet comforters. Okay guys, so this is how the bed is looking. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful, and I would definitely recommend this comforter duvet insert. Like, it's so fluffy, you guys. So fluffy. Just look at that.